Hello. Today I will tell you how to unlock Motorola G05 XT2523-3 from Google account using Hydra Tool. To do this, open the Hydra Tool and configure it as in the video. When the program goes into connection search mode, turn off the phone completely and use the cable to connect the turned off phone to the computer, after which it should be recognized in the program. After successful completion of the operation, turn off the phone and turn it on. As you can see, there is no pad icon in the upper corner of the screen and all settings are done without asking for a password or Google account, which means that our work is done successfully. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more useful videos on unlocking and repairing phones.